Welcome to the Kentucky Visitor Center, where history and technology blend seamlessly to create an unforgettable experience. Here, visitors are immersed in a perfect synergy of information, technology, and authentic Kentucky charm. Explore the rich heritage of the Bluegrass State with our Bourbon Trail itinerary builder, guiding you through the iconic distilleries that have shaped our bourbon legacy. Discover the beauty and tradition of our world-famous horse farms with interactive displays that bring these majestic creatures and their storied past to life. At the Kentucky Visitor Center, advanced technology meets historical richness, providing you with personalized recommendations, engaging multimedia content, and interactive exhibits that enhance your visit. Step into a space where the past and present converge, and let us guide you through the best that Kentucky has to offer. Welcome to an experience like no other, powered by True Omni.